Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of affiliate marketing, providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started and make money online in 2023. If you're eager to turn your online presence into a profitable venture, let's get started. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is selecting a niche. Choose a topic or industry that you're passionate about and aligns with your interests. This will make creating content and promoting products much more enjoyable and authentic. For instance, if you love fitness, consider focusing on workout gear, supplements, or fitness programs. The key is to find a niche with a target audience that actively seeks products or solutions. Recommended website, Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific forums can be valuable resources to explore popular topics and products. Step 2. Researching affiliate programs. Once you have your niche, it's time to research affiliate programs. Look for reputable companies and products that offer affiliate partnerships. Some popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale can be great starting points. Remember to check the commission rates, payment methods, and cookie durations of each program to ensure they align with your goals. Recommended tools. Websites like OfferVault and AffScanner can help you discover and compare different affiliate programs in your niche. Step 3. Building your platform. With your niche and affiliate programs in mind, it's time to build your online platform. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. For this example, let's consider creating a blog. Choose a memorable domain name related to your niche, get reliable hosting, and set up your blog using platforms like WordPress. Focus on creating a clean and user-friendly design. Recommended tools. 1. Domain and hosting. Consider platforms like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator for reliable hosting services and domain registration. 2. Blogging platform. WordPress is a popular and user-friendly platform for creating and managing a blog. Before we continue to step 4, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips videos like this. Step 4. Producing valuable content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that resonates with your audience. It can be product reviews, how-to guides, comparison articles, or even informative videos. Don't forget to optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and internal linking to improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Recommended tools. 1. Keyword research. Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest are helpful tools to find relevant keywords with good search volumes. 2. SEO optimization. Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress can assist you in optimizing your blog posts for better search engine rankings. Step 5. Promoting affiliate products. Now comes the exciting part, promoting affiliate products. Whenever you mention or review a product, include your unique affiliate link. When your audience clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Always be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships and provide genuine recommendations to build trust. Recommended tools. 1. Pretty Links or Thirsty Affiliates plugins for WordPress can help you cloak and manage your affiliate links effectively. 2. FTC Disclosure Generator. Consider using this tool to create clear and compliant disclosures for your affiliate partnerships. Step 6. Analyzing and optimizing. Last but not least, regularly analyze your affiliate marketing performance. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Identify which strategies are working best and optimize your approach accordingly. By analyzing and improving your tactics, you'll continuously enhance your affiliate marketing results. Recommended tools. 1. Google Analytics. Track website traffic, user behavior, and conversions with Google Analytics. 2. Affiliate tracking platforms. Some affiliate programs provide their own analytics and tracking tools to monitor your performance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing in 2023. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort, so stay consistent and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy affiliate marketing!